It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a rather large master padlock. It's a master 170 and it's a 6 pin. I'll show you the key. It does pick rather well. As you can see, that's the working key. There you go. Lock it back up. And again, as I've stressed before guys, if you're going to use your tension wrench where the pins are situated, make sure your wrench does not touch that first pin, because if it does, you're going to have some problems. So I'll start picking this front to back. Gentle tension I find first, so literally just edge over the pins. And I'm just literally twitching my finger on the wrench. As I've stressed before, that actually seems to help, as you can see from that. So that's the master 170 6 pin padlock, single pin picked. And again, like I say, that's the working key. So guys, if you are newbies to lock sports, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Free to join, great competitions, free to enter, and you can win all sorts of great bits and pieces, such as things like that. So thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.